Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to sew Angrakha style neckline frock for 5 years old girl. Before I started, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then you can get the notification of my new videos. Now let's get started the video. This is my main fabric and this is the contrast lace. I will use it. This frock has two parts, bodice and bottom skirt. First I cut the bodice. This is the main part of this video. First take the measurement of a person you will be sewing for. I am making it for 5 years old girl. So I cut the total length and of a bodice and armhole. Then it's time to cut the Angrakha neckline. First fold fabric like this. Bodice right side is lower side and the wrong side is the upper side. Make a guideline for V neckline. It's 3 inches wide and 3 inches deep as well. Mark with fabric chalk. It's a V-shaped neckline. First make a V and then one side of neckline length will increase towards the bodice side seam. Make a slanted guideline with the help of scale like that. Now it's time to cut it. Now take another fabric and put it towards the right side. Now take that panel which I already cut and put it onto this piece of fabric. Like lower fabric should be right side and upper fabric should be wrong side. Now take a scissor and cut it. For front side bodice I cut two panels. One is for right front side and other for left front side. For back side bodice neckline, cut according to your measurement. Now flip over the upper panel like this. See perfect Angrakha neckline bodice. Now it's time to apply a lace on neckline. For this you can see that I already cut the back side neckline also. This is the contrast fabric. I will use this fabric on my neckline. So I am cutting the slanted strips. I will use the slanted strips on neckline and then straight strips on sleeves. This is very easy way to apply a lace on neckline or ankle round or on sleeves as well. I already made a video about this. In that video I already explain this procedure in briefly. You can watch this video, link you can find in description. It's very simple, like take a lace from the right side and put it onto the right side of any piece of fabric and then put a strip onto it and then sew. I sewed it. Now iron on it in order to make it smooth and flat. Now prepare another panel also. After iron I will hem both the strips. Now it's time to sew the shoulder seams. So put both panels like that and then pinning them together in order to sew properly. Now sew shoulder seams. After spinning I will sew it and remove pins. I sewed it. Now it's time to sew the side seams of this bodice. Now it's time to sew the bottom skirt. For that I am using this fork and making the box pleats with the help of this fork. This is very easy way to make a box pleats with the help of fork. With the help of this, you can make very equal and beautiful and flat box pleats. I sewed it. This is the front part of the bottom skirt. I have prepared the back side of bottom skirt also. Now I will sew the side seams of bottom skirt in order to sew with the bodice. I sewed it. Now measure down the waistline of the bodice and waistline of the bottom skirt. Both should be equal. Then you can sew them together very easily. After measurement, flip over the bottom skirt and then sew with the bodice. I sewed it. You can see that it's time to make a sleeves in this. It's time to cut the sleeves. First take the total length and then cut the armhole. It's time to embellish the sleeves from bottom. I fold 3 inches and then I will hem it. After hemming, take the measuring tape and measure the 1 inch gap from hem line and then sew again. After that, turn it to the right side and apply lace as same as I applied on neckline. Here I am using straight strips that now iron it and fold these strips towards inside and then sew. Now I sewed it. You can see this. Now take a safety pin and tag it in this elastic, and this elastic goes through into this 1 inch gap which I already prepared, and then sew one end in order to secure it and make a ruffle in this. Sew another end as well. Now sew the side seams of sleeves. I've prepared both sleeves. Now sew sleeves with the bodice. I sewed sleeves with the bodice. You can see that it's time to sew the hemline of the bottom skirt. So I fold 1 inch of fabric and then hem it. It is prepared and now it is ready to wear. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.